So if you can see, we have a new front door. It's painted a pretty color of yellow. It's gonna look beautiful with the outside color. That's all. We'll take some video once it's up and working. Again, because this is an old house and absolutely nothing is working as it should. Everything is defective in some way. David, explain what problems you're having with this door.
Well, it's taller than the old one was, so we had to, and it shouldn't have been, but the threshold must have been taller because this top trim piece we had to remove to be able to fit it in because the door would swing and hit it. So that was one issue. On the outside, we had to push the door in far enough that I had to remove the brick mold off of the frame itself, so that had to come off so I could move the door in line with the wall, and then I'll have to replace that, and then we'll have to put more trim on the outside as well to cover the gap. So, moving on.
Okay, so we'll come back when it's all said and done, but so far it's looking pretty awesome.
And this stinking jamb is supposed to be pre-routed for everything, but none of the hardware fits the hole, so I gotta chisel it all out.
So the jam that they gave you is funky? The jam doesn't work right?
No, so these are all pre-routed for the strike plate and the deadbolt, etc. stuff. But the hardware that came with our door stuff is taller than the pre-routed stuff, so I had to go and chisel all those out as well.
So we got that going for us.
But there it is. It's flat and flush and looks good, and we're good to go.
It does. Transom's going to come later. We wanted to get everything else done, but we're going to order replacement glass for that, since that's kind of hideous. And then when that's finally done, we'll come back and show you some more deal.